Ever feel like your phone is buzzing nonstop with every single Venmo transaction? Your friend paid you back for pizza? Buzz. Your roommate chipped in for utilities? Buzz. While it's great to stay on top of your finances, sometimes those constant notifications can become a bit much, right? You're trying to focus, maybe you're in a meeting, or perhaps you just crave a little digital peace and quiet. Well, you're definitely not alone. Many Venmo users appreciate the convenience of instant payment updates but eventually reach a point where the sheer volume of notifications becomes overwhelming. The good news is that Venmo offers a good degree of control over the types of notifications you receive. You can customize your settings to silence the noise that doesn't matter to you while still staying informed about the important stuff. Think about it. Do you really need a notification every single time someone likes or comments on one of your transactions? Probably not. But you likely do want to know when you receive a payment or when a payment you sent has been completed. That's where Venmo's notification settings come in handy. They allow you to fine-tune exactly what alerts pop up on your phone and how you receive them. In this video, we're going to walk you through the simple steps to take back control of your Venmo notifications. We'll explore the different types of notifications Venmo sends, where to find the settings to manage them, and how to customize them to fit your specific needs and preferences. Whether you want to silence all payment-related alerts or just specific types, we've got you covered. So, grab your phone, open up your Venmo app, and let's dive into how you can finally achieve some notifications in. First things first, let's understand the landscape of Venmo notifications. Venmo sends out a variety of alerts to keep you informed about activity related to your account. These generally fall into a few key categories. Payment notifications, these are the most common and often the most frequent. They alert you when you send or receive a payment. This includes payments to friends, family, or businesses. Request notifications, when someone sends you a payment request, Venmo will notify you. Similarly, if a request you sent is paid, you'll receive an alert. Social activity notifications, Venmo has a social feed where you can see transactions between your friends, unless they've set them to private. This category includes notifications for likes, comments, and new friend connections. Account-related notifications, these are important alerts regarding your account security, such as password changes, login attempts from new devices, or updates to Venmo's terms and policies. Promotional and marketing notifications, occasionally, Venmo might send you notifications about new features, promotions, or other marketing-related content. While some of these notifications are crucial for security and keeping track of your money, others might feel less essential and contribute to notification overload. The key is to identify which notifications are important to you and which ones you'd prefer to silence. Now, let's get down to the practical part, how to actually turn off those payment notifications. The process is straightforward and can be done directly within the Venmo app on your smartphone. Here's a step-by-step guide. Step 1. Open the Venmo app. The very first thing you need to do is launch the Venmo application on your iPhone or Android device. Look for the blue and white Venmo icon on your home screen or in your app drawer and tap it to open. Make sure you're logged into your account. Step 2. Access your profile. Once you're in the app, you'll typically land on your feed or the home screen. To access your settings, you'll need to navigate to your profile. Look for a profile icon, usually located in one of the corners of the screen, often the top left or bottom right. It might be a picture of yourself or a generic profile silhouette. Tap on this icon to go to your profile page. Step 3. Open the settings menu. On your profile page, you'll find various options related to your account. Look for a gear-shaped icon or a menu option labeled Settings. It might be represented by 3 horizontal lines or dots on some devices. Tap on this icon or option to open the settings menu. Step 4. Navigate to Notifications. Within the settings menu, you'll see a list of different settings categories. Scroll through the options until you find Notifications. This is where you can manage all the alerts you receive from Venmo. Tap on Notifications to proceed. Step 5. Manage your notification preferences. Now you're in the notification settings. Here, you'll likely see different sections for various types of notifications, often categorized as push notifications, email notifications, and sometimes SMS notifications. We're primarily focused on turning off payment notifications that pop up on your phone screen, so we'll be looking at the push notifications section. Within push notifications, you should see a list of different activities that can trigger a notification. Look for categories or individual settings related to payments. These might be labeled as payments. This is the main setting for alerts when you send or receive money. Received payments, specifically for when someone sends you a payment. Sent payments, specifically for when a payment you sent is completed. Payment requests, alerts for when you receive or send a payment request. To turn off these payment-related notifications, simply toggle the corresponding switches or checkboxes next to them. If the switch is green or the box is checked, it means notifications for that activity are currently turned on. Tap the switch to turn it off. It will usually turn gray or white, or uncheck the box. Step 6. Customize further, optional. Depending on your preferences, you might want to explore other notification settings as well. For example, you might want to turn off notifications for likes and comments on your transactions under a social or activity section. You can also manage email and SMS notifications in their respective sections. If you're getting too many emails from Venmo, you can adjust those settings here as well. Step 7. Save your changes, usually automatic. In most cases, Venmo automatically saves your notification preferences as you toggle the switches or check/uncheck boxes. You might not see a specific save button. Once you've made the changes you want, you can simply exit the notification settings and the Venmo app. Your new preferences will be applied immediately. Specific scenarios and considerations. Turning off all payment notifications. If you want to completely silence all payment-related alerts, make sure to turn off the toggles for payments, received payments, sent payments, and payment requests within the push notifications section. Keeping track of payments. If you turn off push notifications for payments, you'll still be able to see all your transaction history within the Venmo app. You just won't receive immediate pop-up alerts on your phone. You'll need to periodically check the app to stay updated. Urgent notifications. Keep in mind that even if you turn off most notifications, Venmo might still send you critical alerts related to your account security or important policy updates. These are usually separate and designed to ensure the safety of your account. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.